So I wanted to record how I create my custom GPTs. I start in ChatGPT 4 and I go to the Explore tab. It opens up to create a GPT, and here I am where I can create my new GPT. I'm actually creating a custom GPT to generate YouTube description. I want to create a GPT videos YouTube. So it's doing its thing and now it's done, and it's suggesting video description wizard. Do I like that name? Sure. Now it's generating a profile for my custom GPT. Yeah, that looks good. So now I can go in and add the specifications for this custom GPT. Now we can tailor our GPT, and it says what kind of videos will you primarily be creating descriptions for. So I told it what I want my GPT to do in terms of the type of videos that I want it to generate descriptions for. I would like the description to be SEO, and in fact I want to add content here that I got from Bard about what should be part of an effective video description. It says it's now tailored. It will focus on integrating relevant keywords and phrases. Would you like to make any adjustments? So I want to go over here and see what the configuration is. And it says specifically in the fields of statistics and machine learning, blah, blah, blah. It should be mindful of integrating SEO practices seamlessly, maintaining a natural flow in the description. Okay. So what I think I will do is I will go here, add a Google Doc, create it, and then I can save this effect. So now that it's saved here, I can go back to the configure and I can go here and ask to upload that document. Actually, it's in Google Drive, and there it is. So now I go back to GPT. Oh, it's upload file.
A file uploaded, I instruct the GPT to use its content as guidelines. My GPT is ready. I paste my video transcript and voila, it generates a beautiful description. I copy it and go to my YouTube channel and paste it in.